Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on MBOX token. Today I want to share with you MBOX has broken out a very long term, very strong resistance in its history, and that is the resistance of this bearish panic. And finally we are out of this resistance, and in today's video we will try to analyze this breakout, and we will also take a look at the targets after this breakout. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. I've shared my link to join me here in the video description, you can find there. Okay, first of all, let me to show you this chart. This is the daily time frame chart, and here we can see that we had a very strong and significant support and resistance level that was $4.85. Previously here it was breaking at the resistance. You can see that we had a rejection here, we had another rejection here, and also here as well. And after breaking this level, you can see the price line surged very well. If I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, that was more than 180% surge, and then price line found this resistance line, and we had several rejections. The price line tried to break out this resistance line here and here, and after a long bearish move here, the price line again made several attempts to break out this resistance, but it failed to break it out, and here it attempted for the last time, and after having a correction used this support, the price line has finally broken out this very long-term resistance, and now we can expect a long-term rally to the upside after this big breakout. And you can see during this breakout, during this bearish move, the price line also broke down this very major support and resistance level. Previously it was working as a support, then it turned into the resistance, and here after a rejection, the price line broke out finally this resistance here, and now we can expect another move like we had here. And if I place the volume profile to show you the traders' interest inside this pattern of this sorry, this is not the fixed range. I would like to apply the fixed range on the complete price action moving here in this volume match. For example, if I place it from this resistance level, when the price line found this resistance up to this end of the pattern, then we can see that we had the traders interest up to this level that was even exactly where we had this last support, and the price line did not move down more than this level. And if I place this volume profile again from where we found this support up to the end of this bearish pattern, then we can see we had the traders interest above the support, and we have the point of control of this volume profile here, and the price line has reached the point of control of this volume profile. And there was another layer of resistance. You can see we also had some spikes here. The price line has also broken out that extra layer of resistance as well. So this is a very huge breakout. Now we can expect a very big and long-term rally. Now if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame and take a look at the RSI, previously RSI was forming lower highs and lower lows, and now the price line is continuously forming higher highs and higher lows. And on the daily time frame, the price line has started forming higher highs, and soon it will also form a higher low as well. Here we have a higher low, and the next higher low will be also formed after this breakout. And if we take a look at the different simple moving averages, yes, this is the major simple moving average 200 resistance on the 4-hourly time frame. Right now the price line is struggling to break out this resistance, and after this big breakout on the daily time frame, the price line can easily break out this 4-hourly time frame 200 simple moving average. Now let's take a look at the targets after this breakout. This is the bearish pattern, and if I place this measurement tool from this low to this high of this, from this support up to this tail of the pattern, and place it here at the breakout point, then this can be our immediate target, that is $7 $2.76. However, I'm expecting that after such a huge breakout, the price line can reach up to the highest price ever in the history of MBOX. As per the Binance exchange, we have $10.90. $10.90. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video description. Take care. Goodbye.